Alright guys, I'm going to show y'all how I tie my turban. So I have this turban right here, it's about 2 meters. If you have a longer one, you can cut it. The width should be about this long. I don't know how long this is, it's probably half a meter. But I'll show you why that's important. And it could be a little shorter too. Kind of just go with the flow. What I like to do is get some water and like spray it with some water. Because what this does is it makes the cloth easy. It makes it cool, because you want to have a cool head. Don't got much water in here. Here, you know what? Use some rose water instead. Make it smell good. Okay. Once we got that done, what I'll do is kind of just do this. So make sure the water is everywhere. So then, now, as you can see, my hair is up here, it's in a bun. What you want to do is you want to have it up in your crown, and then what I like to do is get this side and pretty much bring it here, bring it all the way to the back, do this, find like a sweet spot, go back and make a knot. Now, just one knot is fine. If you want to make another knot, you can. I kind of just make a nice tight knot where it's comfortable. Then I kind of just leave this here, and then I use this cloth and bring it on my left side. Now what I'm going to start doing is kind of start bringing it together, so it's easier to fold and manage. And we're just going to start wrapping it around. So what I do is, once I have it like this, I start cleaning it up. And my first wrap goes above here. And then on this side, it goes down here. I don't know if you can see the camera, but I'm bringing it pretty much, I'm covering my ear, but you don't have to. I like to because it's cold out right now and it keeps me warm. And then the second thing, same thing, but now we're gonna go a little lower than the first one. The first one's here. The second one, I like to kind of just bring it right under right above the ear. Okay, and I clean it up as I go. Clean it up so it's nice. Okay. Now the last wrap, I kind of do the same thing, except now I'm going to bring this one over the ear as well. I kind of clean it up, like I said. Right. There we go. Clean it up, clean it up. And yeah, and then the remaining cloth you're gonna have here, I just kind of tuck it in. Just kind of tuck it in, and then you got it. And then sometimes I like to just kind of compress it a little bit, so nothing's like hanging out. Now, you want to invest in one of these. It's not a weapon, it's just to tuck the extra cloth in. There is. You can just get any sharp object and you can kind of use it to, let's say you got hair in the bag, use it, tuck that in. Just like excessive hair you may have, you can just use it to tuck it in. And yeah, it's pretty simple. There's different ways of doing it. This is just one style. If you guys are interested, I can make other styles. And yeah, thank you for watching.